Deepen your loving kindness practice with this heartwarming meditation to nurture self-compassion. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Welcome, LuSHiners. In stage 1, we planted the seeds of self-kindness. Today, in stage 2 of our loving kindness meditation, we will nurture those seeds, letting them grow into genuine warmth within your heart, deepening the kindness we offer ourselves, moving from repetition to genuine feeling. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your spine to be tall but relaxed. Rest your hands naturally on your lap or by your sides. If it feels right, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting go of any tension. Again, inhale and exhale. Notice your body settling, your breath flowing naturally. Each breath invites you to soften and arrive fully here. Soften your forehead. Relax your eyes. Release tension in your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Feel them melting away from your ears. Feel your arms and hands gently release. Allow your chest and belly to expand with each inhale and soften with each exhale. Let your hips, legs, and feet sink deeply into support. Notice how your body feels heavy, safe, and held. Now, bring one hand to your heart. Feel the gentle warmth of your hand resting here. Imagine a small glowing light at the center of your chest. A soft, golden warmth. This is your own kindness, your care for yourself. With each inhale, this warmth grows slightly. With each exhale, it spreads gently throughout your chest and upper body. You may notice it radiating down your arms, into your hands, or up toward your throat and face. This is your kindness flowing inward, anchoring you in safety and care. Silently repeat each phrase after me, letting them settle in your body. May I be safe. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I live with ease. Again slowly. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Take a few silent breaths, allowing the feeling of kindness to expand. If your mind wanders, that's natural. Simply bring it back to the glow in your heart. Imagine this light growing stronger, radiating like the morning sun, warming your chest. With each breath, the warmth spreads down your arms, into your hands, into your legs and feet. Notice the gentle pulse of kindness in your body. Let yourself feel gratitude for simply being here, for dedicating this time to yourself. Repeat the phrases silently in your mind, letting the glow of warmth fill every corner of your body. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Stay here in quiet, feeling your own kindness. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel your body resting on the chair or floor. Listen to the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the care you've given yourself. Each time you practice, the warmth of your kindness strengthens, creating a steady foundation of self-love. Return to this practice daily, even for just a few minutes. With time, these moments of kindness become natural, and your heart grows warmer toward yourself in all aspects of life. If this meditation felt supportive, like this video to help others discover it. Subscribe for Stage 3 in our Loving Kindness series, and share this practice with someone you care about. You are nurturing a beautiful, kind inner world, and each day it grows stronger.